Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download Element Messenger step by step. Element Messenger is a secure, open-source messaging app built on the Matrix protocol, allowing you to chat, make voice and video calls, and collaborate across multiple devices. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Element website. From the homepage, navigate to the Download section to view the available versions for Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, iPhone, and the web. Next, choose the version that matches your device. If you're using a desktop computer, click the appropriate download button for your operating system. If you're on Android or iPhone, you'll be redirected to the official App Store to install the mobile app. Once the download begins, wait for it to finish. If you're installing the desktop version, locate the downloaded installer in your Downloads folder. For mobile devices, the installation will happen automatically after the download completes. After installation, launch Element Messenger and either sign in with your existing Matrix account or create a new account if you're using the app for the first time. You can then choose your preferred Matrix server and begin setting up your profile. Finally, check for any available updates after installation to ensure you're running the latest version with the newest features, performance improvements, and security enhancements. And that's it. You now know how to download Element Messenger and install it on your preferred device to start secure messaging with the Matrix network. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next